The Nothing Phone 2A is a mid-range smartphone that has garnered attention for its distinctive design and balanced performance. Here's an overview of its key features. The rear of the device features the glyph interface, comprising 3 LED light arrays that serve as customizable notification indicators. The front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability against scratches and minor impacts. The frame and back are constructed from matte plastic, contributing to a lightweight feel while maintaining a premium appearance. The rounded plastic frame provides a comfortable grip, and the matte finish enhances the tactile experience. However, the absence of antenna lines suggests the use of plastic, which may not offer the same premium feel as metal frames. The Nothing Phone 2A features a 6.7-inch flexible AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and responsive touch interactions. The display supports HDR10+ for enhanced dynamic range and color accuracy, with a peak brightness of 1300 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in bright environments. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2A's display combines high-end specifications to deliver an immersive and visually appealing user experience. The Phone 2A is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, a mid-range processor built on a modern 4nm process. This configuration includes 2 Cortex-A715 cores clocked at up to 2.8 GHz and 6 Cortex-A510 cores at up to 2.0 GHz, along with a Mali G610MC4 GPU. In practical terms, the device runs the Nothing OS environment smoothly, handling daily tasks with ease and supporting casual gaming without noticeable hiccups or stutters. The 50MP main sensor that captures 12.5MP photos through pixel binning, enhancing light sensitivity and detail. And 50MP ultra-wide sensor for capturing expansive scenes with a wider field of view. The 32MP front-facing camera offers improved resolution, capturing selfies with greater detail and dynamic range in well-lit environments. However, performance may diminish in low-light situations, with potential reductions in sharpness and increased noise. The Nothing Phone 2A is available in 2 configurations, 8GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage. 12GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage. Additionally, the device features a RAM booster that provides an extra 8GB of virtual RAM, effectively enhancing multitasking capabilities. It's important to note that the Nothing Phone 2A does not include a microSD card slot, so storage expansion is not an option. The Nothing Phone 2A is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The Phone 2A offers impressive longevity, easily lasting through a full day of moderate to heavy use. The Phone 2A supports up to 45W wired charging via Power Delivery 3.0. In practical terms, it can charge from 0% to 29% in 15 minutes and reach 59% in 30 minutes, with a full charge taking just over an hour. Pros: features a transparent back with the glyph interface, offering an eye-catching and functional aesthetic. Equipped with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, providing vibrant colors and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate for smooth visuals. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, delivering reliable performance for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. Houses a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring impressive longevity that comfortably lasts through a full day of active use. Cons: utilizes a plastic body, which may feel less premium compared to competitors with metal or glass constructions. Does not support wireless charging, a feature available in some competing devices within the same price bracket. The in-display fingerprint scanner is positioned lower on the screen, which may be inconvenient for some users. The stereo speakers are reported to be underwhelming, lacking clarity and crispness. Conclusion: the Nothing Phone 2A stands out with its distinctive design and dependable performance, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a unique mid-range smartphone experience. However, certain compromises, such as the absence of wireless charging and the use of plastic materials, may influence buyer preferences.